So welcome everyone to this tutorial for The Letter by the Box Tops. So the original key for this song is A minor, the first chord, A minor. So the chords in the song are, for the verse, let's start with the intro. I usually play the intro just going through the verse one, so the first chord is A minor, then F. Again, I play the F like this. You can play it as a bar chord. That might be where you're more familiar with it. And I play it like this. I play with the first finger on the first fret of the first two strings. Then I put the second finger on the second fret of the third string. Third and fourth fingers on the third fret of the fourth and fifth string. Okay? And then the thumb on the first fret of the sixth string. And that's the way I play the F. I just find it easier to switch that way. So it's going to be A minor, then it's going to be G. I feel it sounds more better with the song to take the pinky off. It's still a G, you could play with the pinky. For me it sounds more correct without the pinky on. Okay, so muting the high E. Then it's a D, so it will be a regular D chord, right? You can play a regular D again. Or the way it sounds more correct for me is to take the second finger off and play the bottom string open. So, okay? So, A minor, F, G, minus the little finger, muting the bottom string, and the D with the bottom string open without the second finger on the second fret of the first string. So open. Okay? Then it starts again. A minor, F, then it goes to E7. So E7 is just an E chord, right? Without the second finger on. So remove the second finger from the second fret of the fourth string. And A minor. Okay? So I'll show you how I play that now. Again, try not to get stuck on the way I strum exactly. Everybody does it different. I don't play it exactly like the song is played. I strum my own way a lot of the time. A lot of people play differently, so look around, get ideas, and really go by your own feel. Like, it should feel right for you. Make it your own. Don't be afraid to change it. Okay? That's the strumming pattern is down, up, mute, mute, up, down, up, mute. So I'll play it slowly for you once. The whole intro. So I'll play it with the singing. So down, up, mute, mute. So down, up, mute, up, mute, up, 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 down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, mute. This is one time fast. And that's also the verse. So I'm going to play it for you fast now, singing over it so you can see how the verse goes. Same thing as the intro. Give me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone. I'm coming home. My baby wrote me a letter. Okay? And that's the whole verse. So the chorus is very easy. It's all downstroke. So 2 downstrokes for each chord pretty much. There's a little bit in between, I'll show you. So C, well, she wrote me a letter. G, F, said she couldn't live, C, with G, out me no more. C, baby want some more, and then E7. Anyway, yeah. Great song. Okay, so I'll play it slowly with you. So it's going to be 2 downstrokes for each note. Very easy for each chord, excuse me. So C, G, F, C, G, down, down, up, down. See? So when you're holding the G, you just go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, that's all it is. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? So C, G, F, C, G, C, G, F, C, G. Same thing. Then it goes to E7. And you just hold it. Anyway, yeah! Alright. Now I'll sing it very slowly with it to show you. Well, she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see I gotta get back to my baby once more. E7, anyway, yeah. Back into it. Take you for an aeroplane. Okay? So, I'll play it one time fast now. Well, she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. Listen, mister, can't you see I gotta get back to my baby once more. Anyway, yeah, take it for an aeroplane. Okay? So that's it. Very simple. Then I put a break in, but the break is just playing the verse by itself, because it gets good energy going. So I'll put in the break here. Anyway, then it'll come right back into, well, she wrote me a letter, said she couldn't live without me no more. You know, and then it goes back into that part. Okay? So what I do is I repeat on the E7 to the A minor twice. So this is how I end it. Give me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. The only days are gone, I'm a-coming home. My baby, she wrote me a letter. Yeah, my baby, she wrote me a letter. Perfect, it's perfect ending. So end it however you want, you figure out however you like. It's nice and abrupt though, because it's a high energy song. So if you have any questions, please let me know. As always, I encourage you to, if you're going to sing and play together, to just learn the playing first. Learn the song playing through, you know, maybe singing it in your head or humming it, something like that, playing with the song even. Until you get the strumming pattern down, find your own strumming pattern, your own rhythm, you know, that it feels right for you, and sing it separately, a cappella. So without any music, or with the song, either way. But let your voice remember the word, let your mind remember the words, let your voice get used to, your throat get used to the different movements of the words and the sounds. And then once the playing is automatic in your hands, the singing is automatic in your throat, then try to put them together, okay? It's easier that way, it'll sound much cleaner, you know? If the more time and effort you put into really making it clean, the better it'll sound in the end. You know, you can't get around that, there's no way around that. The practice makes perfect, right? The oldest saying. All right, guys. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you for checking this out and your interest in playing and singing. And please let me know in the comments if you have any requests, anything you'd like to know how to play, any questions, even if it's about a little part of a song you're having trouble figuring out, please let me know. I'm happy to put a little short video on here. It doesn't take me very long at all. And that's it. Happy practicing, and you know, let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy it. You know, that's what it's all about. Make sure you enjoy it. See you next time.